Hi, it's Matt with PanicExitPro.com, the leading authority on DIY installations of panic exit bars and door entry systems. Today we're talking about the 1000 UL series panic bar. This panic bar has been through the testing for UL, so if you have a code you need to meet and you need a UL panic bar, this one is applicable to that application. This is a single point latched panic bar, meaning that the only latching on it is on the side. This is for single doors and also for pairing up with the 1200 series UL dual door application where one door overlaps the other door. One feature of this panic bar is that it has Allen key dogging. If you push in on the panic bar, insert the Allen key and turn it, you will notice that the door is unlatched. This will make it so the door is free swinging, and during office hours the door will not be locked from either direction. This is very popular for restaurants when you want to unlock the door and have it so they can just grab the handle and pull it open, and a door closer will close it behind them but not lock it. And then at night when your shifts are done, you can re-engage the panic bar, allowing the employees to exit but no customers to come in after hours. This also includes an anti-picking safety feature. If you notice, there are two latches on the end. One latch is the latch that holds the panic bar and is also released when you press in on the panic bar. The other latch is to make it so if you can shimmy something in here and push this in, it is no longer possible. I'll demonstrate. You hold this in. That latch is no longer depressible anyway besides the panic bar. This panic bar could be used on a door of just about any size. It's set up to be longer than most standard doors. Then you measure your door, set up where you're going to mount your panic bar, and you cut down the hollow part, which is from here to size to your door. Then you take the cap and you put it on the end to make a finished look. This allows it to be a universal surface mount to any door. This panic bar can be matched up with exterior trim. The reason it can is it has this Phillips-shaped input. I'm going to take a screwdriver and demonstrate what would happen. The handle would be inserted in here. If the handle is unlocked, you'd be able to push down the handle or turn the knob, and it would release the panic bar as if someone from the inside was pushing on the panic bar. You could then enter the building. It comes with a cylinder lock that can be directly hooked up to this. However, with the cylinder lock, when you turn the key, you would have to turn and hold the key. If you let go of the key on the cylinder lock, it would re-engage. One part that gets confusing is when you're trying to mount to a glass door. Glass doors have frames that are typically fairly narrow. Some of our customers look at this area, the mounting area, and see, oh, this is fairly narrow as well, about 1.5 inches. Will work on just about any door. However, this can work with an outside handle or an outside cylinder. When using the outside handle or the outside cylinder, you must note the handle or the cylinder is going to be centered on this, not on the part that you're matching up to the frame. This is 1.5 inches on center. So if you look at one of the cylinders, the cylinder is about 1 3/4 inches in diameter. So what that means is from the center point, you would actually need at least 7/8 this way to account for the frame of the door. This would be to mount the cylinder on. So total width should actually be about 2.5 inches. And this is just for the cylinder. If you're using a handle, this would be even more. At Panic Exit Pro, you probably noticed that we have just about everything you need to enter or exit your building. From our panic bars, to our keypads, to our proximity card readers, our emergency access control, our wireless touchless devices, and even our simple push buttons. But what you might not have noticed is our expert support. 7 days a week we have people standing by that can help you wire anything together, install anything on your doors, or troubleshoot applications that you might not know what to buy and how to buy it for your application. We're here to help. Give us a call and we'll be happy to do so.